The drawing below shows an above-ground swimming pool in the shape of a cylinder with a radius of r feet and a height of 1/3 r feet. If the water level is x feet from the top of the swimming pool, which expression best represents the volume of water in this pool in cubic feet? The volume of the water does not go to the top. So actually, I've got to take the volume of the entire swimming pool and then subtract out the volume of this empty portion, and that's going to give me the volume of the water. All right, shape of a cylinder, volume of a cylinder. Remember, on your formula chart, the volume is equal to the area of the base times the height. Now we know that the base on a cylinder is a circle, so I can substitute in the area of the base, the area of a circle, pi r squared, times the height. So the volume of the swimming pool, we have pi, radius squared. The radius is r, so r squared. The height of the swimming pool, 1/3 r, minus the volume of the empty space, so that's going to be pi, still the same radius, r squared, and the height of this empty space, x. So simplifying that so that it will look like one of these answers, then I'm going to change this by bringing my 1/3 in front, because I like to put my numbers in front of my pi. And when I multiply my radius, r squared times r, I get r cubed, minus, I won't change that, it's fine, 1/3 pi r cubed minus pi r squared x. B is my answer. Number 2, a store logo that is currently 10 inches by 15 inches needs to be reduced to fit on business cards that are 2 inches by 3 inches. Which statement is true about the scale factor that should be used to make the logo fit on the business card? All right, the big card, 10 inches by 15 inches, should be proportional to the smaller card that is 2 inches by 3 inches. So therefore, if I divide both of these by 5, I will get 2 to 3. So I'm going to take that 5 and write a scale factor. Well, if it is a reduction, then we know that our scale factor is going to be less than 1. So I can go ahead and mark out answer A, because with a reduction, the scale factor is less than 1. So therefore, with this, I know that my scale factor is going to be 1 to 5. So then, if my scale factor is 1 to 5, that's not less than 0. So now I have to decide between these two answers. Well, if I think of decimals, 1/2 as a decimal is equal to 0.5. Well, 1/5 as a decimal is equal to 0.2. I know that 0.2 is less than 0.5, so I know that my scale factor has to be in between 0 and 1/2. So C is my answer.